So let's talk about some income bow Mobil Ads. So this is the opportunity. If you have a van, you have a car, if you're doing some gig work, you can put your some wraps and some advertising on your car. You know, we got the championship game in Atlanta come Monday. I'm pretty sure a lot of advertisers want to have you roll around the stadium to advertise. Sound great. Appreciate it. Justin Sane, what up, my guy? He always tapping in, man. Long time supporter. I support that brother too out there. Anything he needs from me, he got it, man. Just ask. He always tapping in and holding me down. I love it, man. I love it. All right, we sounded good. We sounded good. So let's talk about Mobi Labs. You see it on the screen. You see the thing here. Let's try to get in some income with how much you can potentially make with this opportunity. They got campaigns in New York. Can y'all see the drop down box? Yeah, y'all can see it. Houston, Miami, Columbus, Charlotte, Salt Lake, Los Angeles, Chicago, Austin, Boston. So looking like the main major cities. Like I said, location matters. That's why major cities are more populated because there's more opportunities there. But then the cost of living goes up, it's more crime, there's all this other stuff that comes with living in major cities. Columbus, Ohio is getting a lot more expensive. But the Midwest, the South, Southwest still has some pretty affordable places. Salt Lake City, if you like the snow, 60 cars, our campaign. Okay, this is, I think, yeah, okay. So let's look at the driver. That's what we need to look for. And it says make more money while you drive up to $300 a month. That's not bad. Not bad. That's your insurance, That's a cell phone bill. That's a bill. Just by wrapping your car and driving around the way you normally do. Now, of course, you make your car a little bit more flashy and stand out, and potentially a target because they may think like you driving a Boost Mobile car, you might got some Boost Mobile phones in there. So, some risk in there. I haven't heard, well, I heard one person who does this. That's how I found out about it. And they say they do it out in Austin, Texas. But it says easy money, earn sales, and referral bonuses. All right. Look at this guy. He's in New York. Extra gas money. You know what I mean? Yeah, $300 ain't going too far in New York, but yeah, that's what it is. And you see it's on the Google Play Store and the App Store. This is what the logo looks like when you go to the store to download it. Go ahead and install, get paid to advertise, and all that good stuff. All right. So I'm always want to bring you guys some new opportunities, some new ways to make some money. Mobile ads is that. And you say up to $300 seems like the max. If you got multiple cars, I'm pretty sure you can sign up for multiple cars. It doesn't say how old, like any restrictions on how old your car is. I'm pretty sure they don't want any beat up looking cars. And it looks like if you drive on all these platforms, Bungie, and this is a good one.